Dear listeners, today I shall discuss on matter waves. When a wave passes through a narrow aperture, it is scattered in different directions as shown in the figure. Wave is scattered in different directions. This phenomenon is called diffraction of the wave. Diffraction is a fundamental characteristic of a wave. The diffraction of electrons was first observed in Davison-Germer experiment. From that fact, de Broglie gave us a revolutionary idea called de Broglie's hypothesis, and he won a Nobel Prize from this theory. He stated that to every moving particle or object, there is a wave associated with it. This wave is called matter wave or de Broglie wave. A moving particle behaves in certain ways as though it has a wave nature. A wave must have a wavelength lambda. We must find it. According to Planck, light or any radiant energy is emitted as a numerous bundles of energy or packets of energy called photons. The bundles or packets are known as photon. Photon is the scientific name. Each photon has an energy E equal to h nu. That is, photon energy E is proportional to the frequency of radiation, nu, and E equal to h nu. H is the proportionality constant. It is called Planck's constant. H equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. A photon has a momentum P equal to mc. M is the mass of the photon. It is the relativistic mass of the photon. C is the velocity of light or photon, which is mc square by c, which can be written as mc square by c, and mc square, this is the energy of a photon, which is h nu according to Planck's law. H nu by c, and c equal to lambda nu lambda, that is h by lambda. P equal to h by lambda. Photon, the momentum of a photon P equal to h by lambda, therefore lambda equal to h by p. Planck's constant divided by momentum of the photon, which is the wavelength. De Broglie suggested that lambda equal to h by p is a general relationship. It also applies to material particles. That is, a matter wave has a wavelength lambda equal to h by p, where p is the momentum of the particle, p equal to mv. M is the relativistic mass of the particle, m equal to m naught divided by root over of 1 minus v square by c square. M naught is the rest mass of the particle. Lambda is also called de Broglie wavelength. Thank you.